Hello everyone, welcome to my another tutorial. Today I will show how I built a smart assistant using Copilot Studio that can manage the Outlook tasks like summarizing emails, sending message and so on. So I have made this smart assistant a simple agent. I have added the short description of this agent and I am selecting one model. You can select any model. I'm selecting the default model. And I have added some of the instruction for this agent. And if I check the knowledge tools, I am not adding any knowledge tools, trigger, nothing. Let me quickly ask one question. Let's say summarize my emails for today. Since I'm not adding any tools, any knowledge base, then it should show I don't have any access to your Outlook or anything. Now it's trying to search the knowledge and tools. Okay, it's showing I am unable to access your email inbox directly to retrieve and summarize your emails. Okay, it's expected. Now I'm trying to add one tool that will connect the Outlook with the Smart Assistant agent. So I'm adding the tool. I will add the Work IQ email, the preview tool, the first one. I'm selecting this one. So it's showing the connections. Since I've already created the connection, that's why it's showing my email address. But if you use the tool first time, for your case, you have to create the new connection by clicking on the create new connection. So I'm not creating the connection again. Now I will add, after that I will configure the tool. Now it's trying to add the tool within the Smart Assistant agent. Okay, now it's done. It's showing the name. If I check the tools, you can able to see all the tools that is available for the Work IQ Maze MCP server. So it's showing by default it allowed all, but if you think you want to allow or disallow any specific tools, so first of all you have to disallow all option, and after that you can allow or disallow any specific tool by clicking on this radio button. So for my cases, I'm adding all the option and I'm happy with all the configuration. So now I am saving all the configuration. Now it's trying to save all the configuration. Okay, now it's done. Let me open the new test session. I'm asking the same question again. This time, now it's found this tool. Automatically it's taking the input today's date. Now it's trying to retrieve all the emails within my Outlook. Okay, now I got the response. Good. Let me ask the another question. So I'm asking write an email to John about the rescheduling tomorrow's meeting to Friday. So it will generate the draft email. After that, I will ask to send the email to a specific email address. It just generated the draft. Also, it's asking, say, send it to send the email, or I can ask any changes if I want. I'm happy with it. So now I'm writing send the email to a specific email address with the above response. So let's see. Now it's trying to send the email. Okay, it's showing the email sent successfully. Let me open the email. Yes, I got the email. It's a nicely formatted email. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.